If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Sport in diamond black crystal pearl. With Upland fascias, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black Jeep badging, rear window wiper and washer, bright exhaust tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5684.